Wow, where did the year go? Did your business meet all its goals and objectives in 2017? Now is the time to make sure your plan for 2018 is ready to go. Have you thought about technology and the role IT can play to make sure your company continues to be successful in the upcoming year? Information technology does play an important role in every company's success. It doesn't matter if your business is a small business or a large corporation, having the right IT strategy can accelerate growth, increase operational efficiencies, and ensure maximum productivity from all your staff. The right strategic IT plan ensures your marketing reaches your ideal audience and empowers your sales teams to win new business opportunities. Do you have your strategic IT plan designed yet? If not, let's get started now. Book a complimentary consultation with our strategic IT advisors and start laying the foundation for success in the upcoming year. Don't wait. Procrastination will only hold you back. See our contact information in the comments below, and here's to a very successful 2018.